Hello everyone, and today we're doing a full box break of the UEFA Champions League 2020-2021 Topps stickers. Now there are 50 sticker packets in a box. There are 10 stickers per packet and it is £1 per pack. So you can see it's a fully sealed box. We've got the tag, this is a nick it from the shop, and there is a seal on here. So this is actually the second time I'm trying to record this video. The first time my phone died in the middle of the recording, so I managed to get another fully sealed box. And yeah guys, we're just going to see what you get from 50 packets. You do buy it from the shop. Now this one is actually a little bit better because the previous box didn't have a poster. Promotional poster you put on your shop window. You can see that is quite nice. I actually collect these, so very nice. 50 packets. Let's get into the first one. As I said, 10 packs, 10 stickers per packet. So first up, you get one big sticker in every single pack, and you get a shiny as well. If you haven't seen my starter album opening on the channel, do go and check that out. Also the tin and the multi-pack. But this is a Lewandowski one to watch. We've got a Fernandinho shiny captain for Manchester City. So we've got the position, club, logo, name, games played, goals scored, and nationality. Man City 11. Got N'Golo Conte. Wow, this is a packet full of midfielders, and it's a bit weird because they've done defenders as green, because usually green is attack, and they've done attackers. If look at that, more midfielders. If I found an attacking, they've done the attackers red. They've still kept the yellow midfielders, which is good, but I'm not sure why they've done it. So we've got Ryan Gravenberch for Ajax. This is a rising star, big shiny sticker. Let's have a look. We got Olympique Marseille, Steve Mandanda captain, shiny. It seems like the captains are the shinies. I haven't done too many, well, I haven't had a proper look at the set yet. Like Dest shouldn't be in these Ajax kits anymore, of course, signed for Barcelona. But yeah, it's a pleasant surprise to see all the different subsets, and that you do get a big card. I'm not sure if I like the idea, because the big card is really easy to damage. Oh, there you go. I've got first tag for the shop. Big sticker, Marco Reus, one to watch. I'm not sure what the official name for these is, but there is an eyeball bottom left, so I will say so. One to watch. We've got another captain. So we haven't had a badge yet, if you notice, but we keep getting these captains. Damian da Silva. For Rene. And then we've got Dagba, Arica, Civic, Vasquez, Lucas Hernandez, Bolba, Munir, and Vasadishko. And you can see the defenders are fullbacks, are blue. Hang on a second. Is there a difference in defenders and the Reds? Oh, I just clocked. The Reds are the goalkeepers. Why didn't they make them purple? I don't understand. The defenders are blue, the midfielders are yellow, and the attackers... Hang on, I'm getting myself confused here, but we'll have a look. So this is the women's winners for Olympic Lyon. We've got another captain, Samir Handanovic, so he's definitely goalkeeper, no. That's a green. Right, so goalkeepers are green. Marcus Berg, he's an attacker, so the attackers are red, which I don't see why. Midfielders are yellow and defenders are blue. Nagatomo is a fullback. Ah, I see. So I'm not sure what they've done it, because defenders are usually red and the attackers are normally green. Midfielders are yellow, goalkeepers are purple. So I'm not sure why goalkeepers are red there, but it kind of makes sense because red is usually defense. So maybe goalkeepers, you can look at goalkeeper kind of defender. We've got Murinchuk one to watch. Shiny Andreas Ulmer. We keep getting all these captains. We still have not had a badge, unfortunately. Right, so we've got first shiny. Oh no, that's no. What am I saying? I thought it was going to be a badge for a second, but it's Phil Foden, Rising Star. That's the up and coming English player, Phil Foden for England and City. And we got another shiny. This time is Sabitzer, Marcel Sabitzer, the central defensive midfielder for RB Leipzig. I was about to say Salzburg. We're keep getting these captains, not a badge. You know what? I'll call it. Next one is going to be a badge. Because the first box I opened, we didn't get one captain, but we kept getting the badges. I was about halfway through. Alright, so this is the Marlos, the guy that changed nationality from Brazilian to Ukrainian to play for the team. There we go. First badge, Atletico Madrid. Badge. Gundogan, Rodriguez, Sanson, Zipkov, Traore, Yorokin and Felipe, Luis Felipe. It's weird because usually, well, not usually, but they do put sometimes the date of birth, the preferred foot maybe. But I haven't done it in this one. Or maybe sometimes they put where they made their debut and what year that was. That would be quite cool to see as well. So all these little things they can be implementing into a collection to make it look better. We've got Joshua Zirkzee, the Rising Star for Bayern. And if you cover the name like that, that could almost be Leroy Sané with the hair. That hair is awesome. Chelsea badge. We've got another tag. Going straight in the collection. So Chelsea badge. Gabriel Jesus. Kulikov, Gomez, Fati, Visca, Barrios and Rashford. And we dropped a Enoch Mvepu. I'm not even sure what that Zimbabwe, Tanzania. I'm not sure what African country that is. I'm usually decent with the flags, but that one is just I'm not 100%. Visca. It's another really good winger. We got Juve badge. That's nice. I just recently got the Juve orange third kit. It actually looks awesome. So yeah guys, it's going to be a reasonably long video. Just make sure you do stick around to see what you get from full box break. Got Kamavinga. I was about to say Real Madrid, Barcelona badge. Got Barca 1, bar 1. Salabia, Nakajima, Lena, Onyeka, Kimmich, Tentinho, Escudero, and Strakosha. Very nice. A Virgil van Dijk, Liverpool one to watch. A Locomotive badge. That's a really cool badge to have. Kyle Walker. A Champions League logo. I actually really like this. It's just nice and plain. I actually prefer it non-shiny. I prefer it this matte, light bluish grey colour. It's just so simple, but it looks really nice. Kind of matches the greyish miserable day outside today in England. Next up, Vinicius, Rising Star for Real Madrid. And a Dynamo Kiev, the Ukrainian team. There's a Dynamo Moscow as well. The badges, well, they're not identical, but they're quite similar. Zenit badge, Marcus Rashford, large sticker. Otamendi, of course, doesn't play for City anymore. Tellers doesn't play for Porto anymore. Got Helvetic, Jude, Valverde, Pong, and Zhirkov, and Papadopoulos. How is Zhirkov still playing? I swear he's like 80 years old now. Alright, another tag. The Ferencvarosi badge. Butcher the pronunciation. We've got Ansu Fati, rising star. Unfortunately got really, well, badly injured. He had operations knee or something, so hopefully a speedy recovery to him. We've got Victor Lindelof. Kylian Mbappe, large sticker, Liverpool badge. The Jose Cholivas, they used to play for Watford, I believe, as a left back. I'm not sure how long he's moved to Olympiacos ago. Potentially one that went down, but we got the Porto badge. Callum Hudson-Odoi, rising star. Kepa, Sirota, Sakai, Mabil, Courtois, Moraes, Jorda, and Caicedo. Eden Hazard, Manchester United badge. Ben Mendy, Rika, Seger, Forsberg, Titi, Topal, Santos, and Labiad. Another Ran Gravenberch, a Paris Saint-Germain badge again. Cafu, the legendary Cafu. How's Pepe still playing as well? Look at that, that's a face of murder right there. One kick to your shin, you're dead. Another Midtjylland. Ciro Immobile, I believe, finished the highest goal scorer in the Serie A last year. Or joint highest goal scorer, I'm not sure. Luis Alberto. Got a tag. Another Phil Foden, rising star. As you can see, we're starting to get loads of duplicates now. Another Real Madrid badge. Still a very nice badge to get. Gnabry, Tyson, Susan, Correa. The Thuram, Borussia Mönchengladbach, big player, and we got Borussia Mönchengladbach badge as well. Kaczynski, Murillo, Benedetto, and Kunku. Cristiano Ronaldo! Lukaku, Zapata, and Thomas. We've got another Leon Women's Winners sticker. Atalanta badge. Silva, Verbic, Zuni, Kroos, Camavinga, Lovren, and Adekanye West. Right, Lewandowski. Dusan Tadic, Kyle Walker, Krychowiak, Soboslai, Ox, Alba, Nasa Chadley, Karayev, and Tagliafico. And we've got a sticker still in there, I believe. Ah, it's just a tag. let's see what we've got next. We've got another Xerxes, third time I believe. A Marco Reus captain. We haven't had a captain in a while. Olsen, Badji, Reina, Mane, Martinez, Alumina, and Prometh, and Danilo. Who's actually playing really, really well. Jesus Navas, Miranchuk, Rudiger, Mbemba, Huntelaar, Paulinho, Coman, Ismaili, Bush Alex, and Emre Can. Lionel Messi, big sticker. Hendo, Christian Mate Pulisic. Right, next up, Tanguy Nyanzu, a Bayern Munich rising star. First time we had him, even though we had Xerxes like 100 times. Danilo Pereira. Johnny. Skriniar. Harry Maguire, captain. Sterling, Shaparenko, Balerdi, Huang, Szczesny, Siliki, Carlos, and Daley Blind. Wow, look at that. What's happened to the hair? Just looks weird. Giovanni Reina, Bayern rising star, and Marquinhos captain. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Alex Telles, swap that for United kit to get yourself a new player. Sviatchenko, captain. Stefan Radu. Rodrigo, rising star. Vinicius teammate. And Ramos, captain. So 2 Real Madrid shinies in this one. Quincy Promes. Surprised it's still Ajax, to be honest. No disrespect to Ajax fans. Just thought following the lead of most of your players, I'm surprised he didn't leave, but kind of want him to stay in the Eredivisie because he's got a good FIFA card. And he's quite cheap right now, otherwise it'd be, if he went to United or something, it'd be really expensive. Bastoni. Alejandro Papu Gomez. Kai Havertz, nice one. It's weird because they put like Havertz in the Chelsea kit. Like, I know Thomas and Tellers were a bit late, but N'Golo Conte, very nice, and we've got an Ajax badge as well. Reece James, the Chelsea rising star fullback. Dortmund badge, for some reason it just looks really nice and clean. Don't know why, it just looks nice. One player we haven't had yet, I don't think, was Sergio Aguero. Got another Messi, of course. Sevilla badge. I've noticed loads of times the Lazio players right at the back for some reason. Sergino Dest. Club Bruges badge. First time we had this one, I know. Right, this kid looks 12. And Renan Lodi. We've got another Skriniar. Bayern Munich badge. Eric Garcia, City Rising Star. Big sticker. And it's good the way you get a shiny stick in every single packet. I think it's a really good idea. Krasnodar badge. I can't believe teams like Rostov and Krasnodar are doing so well considering they were nobodies 10 years ago. And now they're in the Champions League / Europa League. It's crazy. We've got Oblak, the probably I'd say best keeper in the world. Shakhtar Donetsk. Do you know what? I can't believe Shakhtar, with their full second team, because their team was out. Most of their team was out for because of the disease. They were out of the squad. So Shakhtar said, "Do you know what? We'll put everyone else out who can do a good job," and proceeded to go 3-0 up against Madrid. Of course, I thought Madrid equalised, but it was disallowed in the end. And my God, was I happy, because Shakhtar's second team beating Real Madrid, because their whole first team was out due to diseases. And I think Real Madrid the only player they didn't have was Sergio Ramos. And to go there and win, and not only win, but scoring 3 goals first, and then defending for their lives. I thought it was fantastic. And then Shakhtar proceed to go and lose 6-0 to Borussia Mönchengladbach. Which, this is why I don't understand football at the current stage. I just don't realise how that could have happened. How do you beat Real Madrid? Well, I want to say comfortably, but it was quite tight in the end. It's their own fault for defending poorly. But and then lose to Borussia Mönchengladbach 6-0. Now, I'm not saying Borussia Mönchengladbach is a bad team. They're not. They're really good. They're fantastic. But if they are to beat Shakhtar Donetsk, I expect it to be maybe a 1 goal difference, not 6. Wow. For some reason, I thought that was Dejan Lovren. But he plays for Zenit now, and not Liverpool. Got Reina. Olympique Marseille, so that's the first time I had this badge. Yeah, look at that, Lazio play at last. Again, a Cherby. Ronaldo! RB Salzburg. Rodrigo. RB Leipzig badge. Champions League trophy. Rene badge, Sterling, big sticker. Lazio player last again, Lucas Leiva. Unlucky. Alessandro Bastoni, Rising Star. Would have personally put maybe Hakim in there, and we got a Inter badge as well. KDB. And the last packet, guys. Let's see what we get on our last pack. So we got a Olympic Lyon Payet. Sorry, Olympic Marseille. Dimitri Payet. And a Captain Koke for Atleti. So guys, this is going to be it for the full box break of the UEFA Champions League stickers. Hopefully you have enjoyed. Remember, if you do enjoy, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, but I managed to get some really cool stickers. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and bye.